What are you depending on? And let me give you a secret. One of the things we are depending on is precisely this. We are digitizing the economy. And by that, it makes it easier for tax compliance. It makes it easier for revenue collection. And it makes many questions to come conveniently in the tax net. So, that's one of the reasons. And so we're not stopped. Mr. Governor, let me thank you. We are moving to a cashless society. And as a former Central Bank employee and staffer who worked in banking operation, used to go in the vault and see the cash, and worked in international banking